Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to take a screenshot in your application. One of the examples or game scenarios I should say that would be useful for this is if you have a share feature, you can share to Facebook, Twitter, that sort of stuff, and you want a screenshot to be taken when the user clicks share, because a common part of the game that would have a share button will be the game over, so the user could share their high score, for example. It's sort of like bragging rights, and luckily in Cocos2d-x it's really easy to take a screenshot. First of all, let's just create a method in our scene header, and it's a void method after capture. So this will be called, I think you can guess, after a screenshot has been taken. Bool succeed const std string output file. And now what we want to do, what we're actually going to do is just copy and paste this to save some time. So if we just scroll down and do the brackets and now do hello world, and now inside here what we're going to do is if succeed, so this basically checks has the screenshot been taken successfully. If so, we're going to handle that, and if it hasn't, we're also going to handle that. In here we're simply going to put a log, but in your game you might want to do something else, or you might want to do nothing. It's totally dependent on your game scenario. So if it succeeds, for now all we're going to do is do auto sprite equals sprite. I think you can guess what I'm going to do is basically create a sprite and display the screenshot, and the screenshot path is output file right here. So you can save this to a locus, a string that's in your header class. You can call another method and pass it in there. You can do whatever you want. In this example, like I said, we're just going to display a sprite that is the screenshot, and I'm going to do this add child sprite. And we're going to do size, screen size equals director get instance get win size. Again, this is just dependent on what you want to do. We are just positioning the screenshot, so I'm just getting the screen size, so it's all dynamic. Sprite set position. And for this I'm just going to put screen size dot width divided by 2, so it's in the center. Screen size dot height divided by 2, so it's in the center again in the y-axis. And finding the sprite set scale, and I'm just going to do 0.25 for both the x and the y axis. You might be wondering, why am I scaling it? The only reason is because it would fill the screen otherwise, and you would even be able to tell if there's a screenshot taken because it was the same as the game. So if it's a little smaller, you'll be able to tell. So this method is all set up in terms of what will be called after a screenshot has been captured. What we're going to do is call the actual, or take a screenshot when we click the menu close button. So to do that, you do utils capture screen, and first of all you do cc underscore callback to, and you do hello world. After capture, don't put any of the parameters in here, and for the target we put this, and for the file name this is just whatever we want. So I'm just going to put screenshot.png. so if we name it, let's say, well, we've named it screenshot.png, and we can just use that somewhere else because we know it's called screenshot.png. So we're actually ready to run. So if we run this now in our simulator, and what will happen is you'll get the game load up, and when I click this, you'll get a little screenshot appear in the center. And as you can see, it looks kind of weird, but a screenshot has appeared right in the center there. So it's that simple to take a screenshot in Cocos2d-x C++. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. Don't worry, there'll be a link in the description. Plus there'll be another link in the description so you can see a written tutorial on how to do this, and which shows the code as well, so you can copy and paste it easily. So, as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.